Yo, Stone Collectors, we back. Check this out. This is in honor of Kyrie Irving. Okay, I put my Mamba shirt on for him. He was one of the guys who signed a deal with Nike, and unfortunately, after everything that happened, he ended up getting his own deal, right? Doing his own shoes. So if you are a fan of basketball, make sure you support Kyrie Irving and get his pair of shoes, man. They're very, very comfortable. I would say this. They have a great stitch style on the bottom of the shoe that looks pretty cool. And yeah, I mean, just the design. The design in these, they are pretty sweet. And you know, Kyrie, he tore his ACL, and he's getting back to it. I'm sure if you are a fan of basketball, you're following him and seeing how he's getting back and how he's going to come back to the next season. So while he's out right now, make sure you guys support him on his website. Make sure you go to the webpage, buy you a pair of these sweet Kyrie Irving shoes. And make sure you join the wave, all right? StoneyOcean.com. It's a mama mentality. He's got it in him. I'm telling he's going to come back playoff season. I'm telling you, next season, join the wave.
That money on my mind, so you know I gotta get it. That hustle all in my blood, but they don't wanna see me winning. That pain all in my heart, but they ain't stopping my business. No, they ain't stopping my business. You haters stay out my business. That money on my mind, so you know I gotta get it. That hustle all in my blood, but they don't wanna see me winning. That pain all in my heart, but they ain't stopping my business. No, they ain't stopping my business. You haters stay out my business. Watch out. What now? What now? Is you talking to me? You ain't talking to me. You better pipe down. I got backup. They got backup. They got big trucks and they locked and loaded and dangerous. That's the most to your brain, bruh. On point when they ain't, bruh. Subtract you and your whole crew so